paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. You go first.
I go first. Body fight.
Open the flag.
Dragon World.
Legend World.
Dimension Dragon. Dugin.
My buddies are Thunder Deity, Voltic Ra, Ice Deity Frieza Horus, and Flame Deity Magma Horus.
Declaring Lost World.
Alright.
Draw. Charge and go. Set. Endless Enmity. Endless Enmity skill. A1 gauge. Look top 3 cards of deck. If you put one Dimension Dragon or Lost World from among them to your hand and drop the rest.
Go.
Wait. Dimension drop the rest. Okay. Call Dimension Dragon Agonia. Call Dimension Dragon Epis. Oversize. Agonia skill when dropped, I may drop a Dimension Dragon.
Put drop.
Yes. Look at top 4. Put 2 to hand and rest to the gauge. Two to hand, rest to the gauge. Epis skill. This one. Anko skill. When this card is dropped and you have Dimension Dragon field, charge and draw. Epis skill. When this card enters the field, drop a hand card. If you do look at top 6 cards, put 2 Dimension Dragon or Lost World from among them. Drop a Dimension. Drop a hand card. Look at top 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 2 Dimension Dragon monsters. And put the rest to the bottom. Okay. Cast Destruction. Destroy Dimension Dragon. Gain 1 life. Draw 2 cards. 1, 2. Set Endless Enmity. Endless Enmity skill. Pay 1 gauge. Look top 3. Put 1 Dimension Dragon or Lost World. Dimension Dragon. And the rest to the drop. Cast the Endbringer. Pay 1 gauge. Alright, pay 1 gauge. Draw 2 cards. My flag is not Lost World yet, so no. Draw 2 cards. Put pay 1 gauge. Top deck to the soul. Check drop. Cast. Lost of D. Put a Dimension Dragon monster or Lost World from drop zone to ano.
Wow.
Lost of D.
Lost of D.
Put on.
I thought you're gonna put Lost World.
I don't have skill. Rest. If you do, put the top deck to gauge. Gain 1 leg. Yeah. Good.
That's all.
Yes. Mm-hmm. I will okay. Entering battle.
Go.
Attack for 2.
Alright. Down to 8.
Turn end.
Turn end. Draw. Charge and draw. Call. Starry Night. Enchanter Duty. Drop a hand card. If drop a Legend Dragon, if you do, look at the top 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Put up to 1 Dragad and Legend Dragon from among them into your hand. Put the rest into the bottom of your deck in any order. Bakara ability, when drop, look at the top 4 cards of your deck. Put up to 1 Legend Dragon from among them into your hand. The rest at the bottom of the deck in any order. Legend Dragon.
Okay. And
Put the rest in the bottom of the deck.
okay. Proceed.
Set are the Ancient Crest.
Juran.
Cast the Arcane Crown on Coronation. Put up to 1 king item from your deck into your hand and shuffle your deck. Seat of Absolute Hieratic Throne.
Go.
Cut. Equip. Pay 1 gauge. Rest this card. If you do, look at the top 5 cards of your deck. Put up to 1 Legend Dragon monster among them into your hand. And put the rest in the bottom of your deck in any order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice freeze of
Legendary. Okay.
Cast. Sokfel, Armat. Look at the top 3 cards of your deck. Put one among them into your hand. And put the rest into the cage. You may Ancient Crest, you may drop a Legend Dragon, pay 1 gauge. If you do, draw 2 cards.
Okay. Drop a Legend Dragon.
Legend Dragon, cast. Darner Lebark, pay 1 gauge. Gain 1 life, draw 2 cards.
What's the requirement?
2
Legend Dragon.
Legend Dragon.
The Ragnar Lamarck.
If it's not rested, can I stand?
No. I mean, technically yes, but it's not. You will be wasting the effect. But yeah, it's okay because it says stand up to, right? So you can stand 0.
Stand all.
Yeah, so it's okay, but you will not fully gain the benefits.
Measurement.
Okay.
So I don't have Frieza. And look to the
Yes.
deck.
Put 2 monsters with 2, both Dragon and Legend Dragon with different card name.
Okay.
If you put 2 cards, drop a hand card.
Mhm.
Did you put 2 cards?
Yes.
Drop a hand card.
Drop a hand card. Alright. Call. Need to gauge.
I will
Thunder Deity Vortica.
I will counter. Pay 1 gauge. D-Road. Call a Dimension Dragon from drop zone by paying the call cost. Oversize. Then You may reveal a lost world. For this turn, all my Dimension Dragon cannot be destroyed. Dimension and Lost Vader cannot be destroyed or returned to hand. And abilities cannot be nulled.
By card effects.
Yes.
Alright. So, call, pay to gauge. Body call. Ang body call, Frieza, and then
Yeah. 3 life.
in 3 life.
But no destroy because of
But I
Reroll.
get to draw 2 cards.
yes, of course.
Draw. Release Future Force BGX. Cast.
No call cost.
No, I just
Okay.
need 3. Inevitable Victory, Kafaraba. Put the top 2 cards of your deck into the gauge. Gain 2 life. And draw 2 cards.
So much life gain.
Hmm.
Okay. Kafaraba.
P1 gauge. King's Privilege, Malik Tia. Deal 2 damage. Gain 2 life.
Draw 2 cards.
Draw 2 cards.
Yow.
Cast. Ingleguard.
Yes.
Drop a hand card. Draw 2 cards. Hmm? I still cannot destroy them if I nullify them, right?
Yes, because the abilities cannot be nullified.
Oh, okay.
Because of D-Road.
No more cage. I need cage.
No, we don't need cage.
Nice. Such a bad draw. Alright, battle phase.
Okay, proceed. Wait. Okay, no, proceed.
Center. Penetrate for 2.
3.
3.
Agonia skill. You put to drop. Drop a hand card. Lock top 4. Put to hand. The rest to the gauge. Wait, I dropped the wrong. I will drop this one. Sorry. When this card is dropped, charge and draw. Go.
Link.
12. Redirect. Body call. When destroyed, draw card.
Link.
Yeah. De-alteration. Null attack.
Ay,
Third
double
attack.
gauge.
End this phase.
And turn.
Lost World.
Ego.
Life. Okay. Draw. Charge and draw. Call. Dimension Dragon. Gasly. Rest. Pay 1 gauge. Choose 2. Different names. Agonia and Abyss. Cool. Cool. And put to drop a hand card. Lock top 4. Put to hand. The rest of the gauge. Skill. And drop charge and draw. Dimension Dragon Amnesia skills. Rest. Gain 1 life and gauge 1. And deal 1 damage. And draw card. Deal 1. Deal 1.
Now 250.
Cast the Endbringer. Pay 1 gauge. Draw 2 cards. If my flag is Lost World, I draw another. And deal 2 damage to it. Deal 2 damage. 30. Call. Rehabilitated. I will not use the ability of Agonyao. Call. Rehabilitated Demonic Dragon Vanity Revolve Destroyer. Okay. Call. Lost Knight. Guiltless. Pay 1 gauge. And put card from the drop zone to the zone. Call. Vanity Revolve Destroyer. Cast Dimension Draw. Draw 3 cards. Then drop 2 hand cards. Draw 3. Then drop. Drop 2. 1. Okay. Entering battle phase. Can't be rest.
Alright.
Go.
Go.
Attack. Attack center. On attack.
No.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah, okay. When this card attacks, choose up to 2 cards from your opponent's field and drop all souls. Then put the chosen cards to the drop zone.
Wait. But if I attack,
No.
it's still.
Yeah, no, the ability is on attack. Nullify attack. Wait. Null spell. Dimension denial. Penetrate for 5.
What just happened?
Guiltland skill. Pay 1 gauge. Oppress. Okay.
I have no gauge. Five.
Can this one cannot leave the field, right?
Yes.
No, cannot leave, right?
Yep.
Okay. Attack you for 5. Drop set spell.
Or 5. Down to 2.
Attack you for 3. With game.
I have no gauge. No gauge.
Too much.